In front of me is TCL Plex, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness. Begin by going into settings and tapping on display. Then you need to tap on brightness level and click on this eye icon over here to activate it. You can switch it back on the same way and also do the same from tap menu. If you want to, you can click on this switcher next to adaptive brightness as well to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!